Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and tools. Enable developer options and USB debugging so your computer can talk to Android. This is necessary because you will send commands. Install ADB on your PC and connect the phone, then accept the RSA prompt. Make a full backup and verify OEM unlock if you plan to modify the system image. Once done, check ADB recognizes the device with a DB devices, so you can proceed safely into the next steps. You will now hide or remove the navigation bar. For a temporary test, use ADB commands to adjust overscan or disable the nav via settings provider. This shows the impact without permanent changes. If you want a permanent solution, you must root the device or install a custom ROM and edit system UI resources or use a module that removes the bar. Make sure you enable gesture navigation or a third-party gesture app first, so you don't lose basic input once finished by applying and testing the changes thoroughly. Reboot the device to ensure system UI loads without the nav bar and that gesture navigation responds. This confirms a clean change. If something goes wrong, boot into recovery, restore your backup, or flash the factory image to recover. When troubleshooting, capture ADB logcat to find system UI errors or input failures and fix the offending resource or module. Make sure to keep a known good backup so you can revert quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.